welcome back and Happy New Year. It's Veganuary and I'm really excited because I'm kicking off a new series called What's for Dinner, and the thought process behind that is weeknight meals you can make in 30 minutes or less that are healthy and really delicious. And we're going to kick it off with teriyaki chicken stir fry, and the key ingredient in this are Butler soy curls. This is my first time using it, but it will definitely not be my last. It's a really healthy meat alternative because it's made from one ingredient, which is soybeans. They're just dried soybeans, and it takes on the texture of like chicken or pulled pork, or it has a meat texture, and it absorbs flavor really easily like tofu, so you can make it taste like whatever you want to, and it's awesome. It's delicious. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you've used them before or you're going to think about using them, please leave a comment below, let me know. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you actually use them, please tag me, take a picture so I can see it and share it with the rest of our tribe. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.
That's perfect. The texture is right on.
Right on with what?
With chicken. For like a pulled pork or barbecue meat type of pulled meat with more chicken. But it tastes, actually the texture is better than the Morningstar chicken. Yeah, this is better than Morningstar.
What makes it better?
It's not as chewy, soft or chewy. It's not that Morningstar is super chewy, but it has like a little resistance when you bite into it. But this one is like, when you bite into it, it's like chicken.
But you know it's not chicken?
No.
If you didn't know we were vegan, we just gave it, you would think this is chicken?
If I didn't think it was chicken, I would think it's some type of meat. But seeing it, the visual gives me the chicken look, but the texture, it has a chicken texture, a pulled pork texture, something like that. But it's right on.
This is our new go-to?
This is it. You don't need to go to buy the $6 bags of chicken strips. That's it.
You heard it first, folks.